Hello friends, my name is Sohail Saudagar and today date is 31st October 2022 and today topic is a object and class. Object class in Java. So I will explain what is a object. Object is a real entity that has state and behavior is known as object. Example chair, bike, goggle, cooker. That means a object. Object you can touch, you can see physically and logically. Tangible. Tangible means you can touch and feel this real type of object. Means watch you can touch and feel. That means a object. An object has three characteristics. Object has a three characteristics. First is a state. State is a represent of the data, value and object. State is a represent of the data, value and value of an object. Second characteristic is a behavior. Behavior represents the behavior functionality. Means object of deposit and withdrawal, etc. Example means dog. Dog is a object, but this is a behavior. This is a characteristic. State means a dog's name. Behavior means they can walk in four four leg. And identity. Identity is the third characteristic. And object identity is a typically implemented via unique ID, the value. The value of ID is not visible and external the user. However, it uses the internally the JVM independency JVM to identity of object uniquely. Characteristic of object state. First state, second behavior, third identity, and fourth third identity and fourth identity. Definitions. Object definition. An object is a real world entity. An object is a runtime entity. Means object is a real world and runtime entity, and object is an entity which has state and behavior. The object is an instance of class. Instance of class. Second is a class. So what is a class? A class is a group of objects that have common properties. It is template or blueprint of the object. We just create a logical entity. It can't to be physical. Object means a blueprint of a project. You cannot touch and feel. That means object. A class in a Java has many contains in a class. First fields, a method, constructors, blocks, nested class and inheritance. I will explain one by one. Uh, Instance variable in Java. Instance variable which is created inside class but outside method. Instant variable means you can create a class one program and we declare variable is a another method. That means a instance variable. Thank you.